Good afternoon, guys. Today we will speak about the headlight restoration Mercedes. As the camera showing to you guys, the situation for the headlight is terrible. The plastic from outside need to make a processing by sanding machines. A lot of numbers need to do it on it to retain it back, and also for the rubber there is a dust, and for the backside the situation for this headlight is so terrible. But the question is, important question is, guys, dirty from outside or from inside or from both of it? So actually, indeed, guys, we can't decide about the dirty from inside or outside or both. First rules, don't judge about the headlight if the dirty from inside and outside. First should be to do clear for the plastic from the outside, and after that we can speak about if this headlight need to open it or not. As the camera showing to you, the situation for the headlight, the plastic is so terrible, guys. So I am going to show you after the working outside, guys. I discovered this headlight no need to open, because the situation for the headlight is like this, guys. And amazing, this one just from outside, guys. Now I am going to show you how we can make headlight restoration on this headlight. All the tools what we need, the sanding machines, the small one and the big one, and also for cleaning for the rubber and the plastic, air gun, brush, small brush. Backside this small brush there's small squeegee. Also for the big brush to make a cleaning for the backside, any huge area sometimes we need to use this one. And also we have this plastic inside it, water to clean the rubber and to make everything clear. Let's start, guys. So guys, first things we need to do, first action, we need to make a air, guys, for this headlight. Go down. Sit. Sit. This one not for. Second things, guys, first, before you remove the plastic, we need the rubber. Before you remove the rubber, we need to make cleaning for this rubber, guys. To make cleaning for this rubber more easy when you clean it, and still the rubber, this one on the headlight. This one just the starting, guys. Yeah. Now, guys, I need to remove this rubber. There is here lock. There is here also lock. There is here also lock. There is here lock. Look, you will see the situation. here should be just to pull. Okay, there is here lock. Go for the lock. Here guys, there is two lock. Yeah, this one will put it, guys. This one. Now I am going to for that guy. This not important, we will clean it separate, guys. This back cover. We need to clean it perfectly. This one for the power, the bank power, no need to clean it, guys. Don't touch it. Second thing, guys, I'm going. Just a little bit. Bring for me. Throw it in jam. Put over here. This one. Put it down. Yeah. After that, guys, we will make air. Yeah, guys, after that we will open this one from here. Need to clean it. So, really clean this cover. There is a rubber. Need to clean this rubber, guys. What this one? Leave it, leave it. Watch it. Yeah. This rubber, guys. Sit, no problem. Take it, take it. No, sit, 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 sit. No, sit, sit, no problem. Yeah. We need to use a little bit of brush for the back cover. Like this, guys. Make sure to dry this one totally, guys. This one, the nail is like a tool, guys. Put your nails inside the towels and you will make like this. Some of the people said why I did not clean my nails. I did not cut my nails because nails for me is important, guys. But like this. put it from inside, need to clean it. Done. Plastic, guys, so fine. Solution. I will bring this one. You will see one a paper here, guys. Can you see this paper? This paper inside. This one, what they wrote on it. They wrote, guys. Right? I don't know what kind of code this one. So now the situation good, guys. So need to clean it from here. Put the sour. Here, bring for me the dressing. Yeah, guys, now I am putting dressing to give the plastic more shining, and I will start to work for the headlights, guys. So I need to use water. I will use the sanding machine 2000 guys, dry sanding machine, but I will mix it by water. Yeah, guys, the first step for the sanding. Finish 2000 dry sanding. Now I am going to use for 2500 foam sanding. the second sanding, 2500 guys, foam disc sanding. Now finish. We'll go for 3000 Trizic US mid. The third step, guys, look now the situation for the headlight, the plastic, and amazing. So now the last step, we'll use the small one, orbital sanding. Foam to make the small area, guys. We'll make vertical and horizontal, guys. Done. Done, guys. Now we will see the result for the headlight. I think the result is an amazing. We'll see after the polish. Now I am going to put my special polish. I like to make like this. And I will leave it for I will leave it for 5 minutes between we are cleaning the rubber for the head. This one we'll leave it here, guys. Now I need to clean for the rubber. The head. We'll use strong. We'll use strong chemical, guys. use strong chemical, guys. After that, really clean to see the result. So guys, now I am putting a dressing to give the rubber more shining and will be more soft. Now I am going to do the polish for the headlight. Janjan, catch. Now the second time, I will not leave the chemical on the plastic to be dry. I will start to do bushing directly, guys. And I will make the speed a little, and also I will make the speed a little bit up. So guys, when we will make the speed a little bit up, don't push on the machine on the headlight. So تعال we'll make this one, the small one. Catch. Now by polishing we'll check for the result for the headlight, guys. I am seeing that the result is amazing. I like to put the chemical by my hand to cover each part of the plastic from up. So guys, the situation for the headlight, the result, the comment of the result, put it in your comment please. This is the situation and I need to know from your side the result before and after the restoration, guys. Now I will finish totally and we will put the rubber on the headlight. Use the gun of air. Indeed, I have a lot of work for the outside, guys. I need to finish it very quick and we need to join to our friend. We need to join. So here. This is the rubber for this headlight. Check. Nice. So now I am going to fix Done. Need to lock. This headlight for Mercedes. Done, guys. I like it totally. We put a little bit of shiny dressing. So guys, this is the result after headlight restoration from outside, guys. I hope you like it and you take your benefit how we can make headlight restoration for the situation. The clear coat of this cover is damaged. We make a mixing kind of sanding paper by machine, sanding machine, and the result is like this as the camera showing to you. Don't judge the light from outside if the dirty from inside or from outside or from both. Please make clear for the plastic from outside. After that we can decide if this headlight need to make restoration from outside or inside, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and see you next problems. Don't forget to make like, share, subscribe to my channel.